How to upload a video to Facebook. First of all, open up the Facebook application on your phone. You will then be brought to the Facebook homepage. Here, you can view pages and friends' posts. On this page, go to the status box at the top. Then, tap on Photo or Video. From here, you can choose photos or videos from your camera roll to post on Facebook. Select the video you want and then tap on Next below. Here, you can manage the post settings such as Post Audience. Once you're done, tap on Post at the top right corner. You have now successfully uploaded this video to Facebook. This way, you can upload any video you have on your device. Following these steps, you can easily upload a video to Facebook. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.